equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of replacing the charging port on your DELL INSPIRON 3501. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely and effectively complete the repair. Start by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the battery by unscrewing the screws located at the back of the device. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the battery is removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. As you lift the cover, you may notice some dust accumulation inside. It's a good idea to clean this out using compressed air to ensure optimal performance. Now, locate the charging port on the motherboard. You will see several screws securing it in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Remember to keep track of which screws go where, as they can vary in size. With the screws removed, gently disconnect the charging port from the motherboard. This may require a bit of finesse, so take your time. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you assess the situation without any pressure. Once the old charging port is removed, it's time to install the new one. Align the new charging port with the connectors on the motherboard and gently press it into place. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure it's firmly attached to avoid any future issues. After securing the charging port, it's essential to reassemble your laptop. Before putting the back cover on, double-check that all connections are secure and that there are no loose screws left inside. If you're unsure about any step, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We also provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get your laptop repaired without the hassle of travel. Now, place the back cover back onto the laptop and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Reinsert the battery and screw it back in. Finally, power on your laptop to test the new charging port. If everything is working correctly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the charging port on your DELL INSPIRON 3501. If you encounter any issues during this process, remember that we offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. No calls, no travel, just a simple and efficient service to get your laptop back in working order. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.